Audio Jungle.
Two teenage boys have risked their lives to produce vertigo-inducing footage that shows them precariously perched atop a crane 820 feet above the ground. The boys climbed the crane in Canary Wharf, London, and can be seen dangerously edging towards the end of the boom.They pose on the platform at the end, reaching their arms in the air, so they only have their feet to balance them on the thin pole they are standing on. While filming the stunt, one of the boys can be heard saying, "That's crazy. Look at that sheer drop." Canary Wharf's city building, which stands at a mere 670 feet tall, can be seen in the video a full 150 meters below the brazen teenagers. One of the boys films the other making their way back across the boom, and at one point it seems as though he may lose his footing when trying to negotiate an intricate part of the framework. The craze for urban free climbing has been around since 2007, but the movement has recently gained more traction. Some extremists like to climb high buildings just to get a picture of them nonchalantly dangling from the edge with one arm. While the exact number of deaths from urban free climbing isn't known, it isn't an uncommon end for those who risk their lives for a shot of adrenaline.